Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So first you should go to settings and now scroll down to the additional settings, tap here and you'll see the button shortcuts section, tap here, and for example we can launch the camera with a double press to the power button. Now we can check that. Yes, and as can you see, our camera is activated, and now we can go back. We will turn off this function, and now you can, for example, select the double press for the power button to turn on our torch. Yes, as can you see, that's really work. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.